Hey guys, it's time for a few personal notes now. I've been a while since my last personal notes. Probably you're interested to know a little bit about my thoughts and about my feelings about my work with me and Dr. Pink. Some of you might have saw my post that my mom passed away some time ago, short time ago, and now my entire family is gone. My dad and my sister, and now my mom passed away. And this makes you think about what you want to do in life, what is important for you, who you are, and stuff like that. And I've been going through some serious thoughts what I'm going to do now, also considering the world, which you all notice is a little bit shaky. This brings us much more to the point who we are and what we want to be. And I've been watching my, let's say, motivation towards the YouTube channel here. And also YouTube has changed, I must say. The algorithm has changed. It supports a lot of new content, but more if you really push for the popular themes. I was able to create a lot of traffic on my channel by just pushing popular themes, but this put me on a row where I'm not really creative anymore. I'm in this business a very, very long time, since 2005. And I know which themes are popular and which ones are not. But now we come to the point, who am I? What I want to do? And I noticed that I'm more or less doing work instead of being creative. You probably saw the Netflix series Gotham Garage, and they also had this discussion. Do you want to push for the regular thing to create a lot of people or a lot of customers and stuff like that, or do you want to risk it more and be more creative? And I decided for myself to change the strategy now a little bit, to more going for creativity. That can mean that probably the traffic of the channel will go down, or I don't get so many customers anymore, especially for the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. That was my main aim, to get people to my academy, to build a community there. And there's now a small community there. In fact, it's still not the size I wanted to, but I'm pretty happy with this. Gives me more freedom what I want to do, what I can do and stuff like that. And now is more time for me to become more creative. Meaning, some of you might know I do touch technique, playing with both hands on the guitar. I do composition, stuff like that. All this stuff has been neglected now over months and years. Also because of my family, because I needed to take care of mom and my sister. And so things were just drawn down to the normal stuff. But now I want to get more creative. And that's what I want to go for. What does that mean for you? Since I'm not pushing so much for the popular themes, like blues, main riffs, or blues basic licks or whatever, I want to go more for creative stuff. If you love my work, please help me to share and spread the word. And this way we can keep the traffic up and still keep me happy. Which is the main thing. If I'm not happy anymore, it's not cool anymore. Like doing 2 videos per week, And I want to be creative again and start enjoying what I'm doing. Also work on sounds, and not always pushing for getting people to go to my academy to subscribe. If you love my work, that's the main point. If you love my work, please go to the academy and subscribe there and support my work, even if you're not watching regular tutorials, because this helps to keep the whole thing up and reduces my pressure to create the normal stuff which you can watch everywhere. And That's the main change in strategy. I just wanted to let you know. I don't know exactly the plan how it will happen, because I'm just coming out of this long tunnel of obligations in my family. Now my family is gone, and I just want to see where the path takes me. But this is my decision. I want to be creative again and not just a worker to get subscribers. Honestly, it's not fun anymore. Not at all. I mean, I can do it. That's not I can do it, because I have the experience of over 20 years, nearly 20 years. I'm in this business, so I know exactly how to get that. But honestly, it's not fun anymore. And guys, life is a journey, and you should enjoy the journey. And I noticed the past months I don't enjoy the journey anymore so much, and so I'm gonna more for creative stuff and try out things, maybe things which you think, oh, that's not for me, but that's how it is. That's all I wanted to say. And for all those guys which always supported me till now, thank you so much for supporting me and my work, and Dr. Pink. And if you love my work, please continue supporting the work. If you join the academy, if you think my work is underrated or stuff, you have the opportunity to make a donation if you want. I mean, I still work way more than I earn from the work which I'm producing, which is not a problem if I would enjoy it, That's the problem. So that's the way you can support me. And we see how the journey continues and how the world continues. Who knows? It's really crazy at the moment, especially here in Europe. But I mean, music is a thing which helps a lot. Many people just to still find some joy and fun and stuff like that. And that's also one of the reasons why I want to keep it going, just because I got so many nice feedbacks from you out there that how important my work is for you guys. And even if I get like one message per month, how much I could help somebody to stay in happiness and stuff like that, that makes me really feel that I'm doing the right thing. Good, so that was now my personal note, and we see us soon again with Dr. Pink again.